Hello everyone, my name is David. I'm one of the project managers in Green Bay Remodeling. We're here in San Leandro. We would like to show you what we did and show you the final results of the project. Let's go take a look. Our main goal of the project, it was to create an open concept. When we got the house in the beginning, everything was divided by walls. What we did, we want to make sure that everything will be open concept, very modern style. This is the kitchen area, new cabinets, obviously plumbing, electrical was done up to code. Countertop, we fabricate everything according to the layout. Backsplash, all of the windows are new, as a new construction windows, including all of the lights and the fixtures. We create a small laundry room that was not existing in the house, and we created from scratch. We also add a small addition to the house to create a bathroom with a toilet and a small sink. This is the master bedroom. We create this whole section as an addition to the house. So the total square footage was about 400 square feet. This is the shower area. Looks beautiful. We did a walk-in shower according to the layout that the client wants. Custom size with a bench, with a rain shower inside on top, the tile work, paint, toilet, all the lights and the fixtures. So this is the guest bathroom. As you can see, we did a tub according to the needs and wants of the clients. This is the dining room area next to the kitchen, and the living room. Everything is open concept. I want you to understand, guys, that this house was got basically rebuilt. We went down all the way to the studs. We basically made the house only with framing to be able to build everything up to code. As you can see right now, the house is finished with the new stucco, new framing, plumbing, electrical for the entire house, new foundation as well underneath the house, new front porch from redwood and pressure treated wood. Before we start the project, it used to be a garage over here for one car. What we did, we demoed the garage according to plans by the city, up to code, and the city was required to do a carport in the back to park the car underneath. So this is the carport that we did instead of the garage. That's basically sitting on top of a slab foundation, and the clients can basically park underneath the carports as well. This area of the house, that was the addition that we did to the existing house. So this all total square footage was about 400 square feet that we had master bedroom, master bathroom, laundry room and half bath.